Hi, in this video, we will share a homemade anti-aging lip balm recipe that will help in keeping your lips looking youthful and plump. First things first, let's talk about the ingredients you'll need. You'll need coconut oil, beeswax, shea butter, vitamin E oil, and peppermint essential oil. You can find these ingredients at your local health food store or online. Now, let's get started. Melt 1 tablespoon of beeswax, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, and 1 tablespoon of shea butter in a pan. Remove from heat once the butter has melted, then stir in 5 drops each of peppermint and vitamin E oil. Pour the mixture into a lip balm container after giving it a good stir. Now you have your very own anti-aging lip balm. With just a few simple ingredients, you can make your own anti-aging lip balm that will help keep your lips looking youthful and plump. Remember to use it regularly and enjoy the benefits of hydrated and smooth lips. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos. Thanks for watching.